Thatcher and Reagan were very retrogressive in terms of producing a form of economic structure that was very selfish and self-centered, the glorification of the individual. And actually, in the short term, there were some economic benefits in that. In the long term, there have been serious social damage from that. The English-speaking countries have a higher degree of stress and distress amongst society, manifesting itself in obesity, teenage pregnancy. Britain is the worst in Europe in those problems, and it all comes out of, it's all attributable to this focus upon the importance of the individual and the success of the individual, which actually meant the failure of the majority. And of course, other cultures like the Scandinavian culture and more so the Asian culture are much more collective in their thinking. And it was that selfishness that was adopted by America and Britain and passed on to Canada, Australia, and New Zealand that was really the problem. So yes, they have a lot to answer for. They were a major part of the problem, but they thought they were the solution at the time.